So here we are in Notebook LM. It's a wonderful large language model that is built on Gemini. It's owned by Google. It's called Notebook LM. You could just search for it in Google. At the time of this presentation, it is free, but you'll see I have all these notebooks. So this first one says Jen Lehner Media Systems. So when I click there, if you look off to the left, you'll see all of the systems that have been added here. I did not add these because that is very time consuming. My team added all of our SOPs to this notebook. So now anyone, whether it's a new VA or whether maybe I get abducted by aliens and my husband has to come in and figure out how to invoice someone, he can go over here and ask, he can engage with these SOPs and ask questions about how to do something. So I'm going to say how to onboard a new member to Front Row VIP, which is my membership site, and we'll wait just a moment and you will see. Okay, so it tells me how to do that, but it also gives me notations. So if I click on this little number, it'll take me to the original document with the more detailed instructions. You see over here on the left?